Hello, students. I just wanted to go over the questions on this written report because some people were having a little difficulty. So I wanted to clarify a little bit. So let's take a look. Question number 1. The command term is outline, which is to give a brief summary or explanation. So outline 2 examples of a material or resource. A material or resource is like a thing, stuff. Keyword here is moving. So you want to outline 2 examples of a material or resource that's moving. Moving where? Moving within that whole global system that we've learned about of how oxygen in our atmosphere is produced. Remember, you have these resources. It's all right here. So you take a look here and you think, okay, what is moving? Let's go back to question number 2. 2 examples of a transformation or a change of a material or resource. And it's the same thing within that global system. So with the whole system that you looked at of how oxygen is produced, what is one chemical change? What is one physical change? It has to be found in this whole system. Next question. A diatom can make its own food through the process of photosynthesis. This is a system. Outline how a diatom making its own food relates to our statement of inquiry. All right. Again, resources. It's all right here. Can you tell the story of photosynthesis? Here is a statement of inquiry. It's all right here, y'all. How are the resources transported? How are they transformed? All right, number 4. Which of the 2 possible scenarios did you choose to explore, 1 or 2? And again, they're right here in your resources, scenario 1, scenario 2. For this question, all you have to do is write 1 or 2. Number 5, apply, which means use what you learned about the global system of oxygen production. So go back to this page. What's this story? Okay. Apply what you learned about that system and predict how you think that system is going to be impacted or affected by the scenario that you chose. So there's a change in the system. How is the whole system going to be impacted by the scenario you chose? Number 6, propose a potential solution to the problem caused in the scenario you chose. So the 2 scenarios each were like a problem, an environmental problem that impacted our global system of oxygen production. Right here's your background information. Okay? Use the background information in order to think, well, if I know how it's caused, I know what causes the problem, what might be a possible solution? You do not need to write a paragraph on this. Just come up with something simple. I just want to know if you can kind of apply what you have learned about systems, about how this global system of oxygen production depends on the resources moving and being transformed throughout that system. Okay, 2 citations. They're right here, y'all. They're right here. Oh, wrong. Yeah, right here, citations. You just can use the ones that I put here for you. Just copy and paste. Okay, it's the only time you can copy and paste is getting those citations. Finally, number 8. So this one, you're going to talk about your creative project. How did it demonstrate your understanding of how our statement of inquiry relates to the global system? So the statement of inquiry, that a working system depends on the transportation or the movement and transformation, which is change, of resources. Okay, so do your best and send me an email if you need more help, or come to tutorials. I have them Friday after school. Thanks, and have a great day.